The Noel Maitland murder trial heard yesterday from a lady, a woman, who worked at a car wash in Kingston, where the prosecution is arguing the settee from Maitland's apartment was taken to be washed. And the lady described the blood seeping from the settee as blood like rice grain. That means a lot of blood. Yeah? And the witness, who testified remotely from overseas, was a 10th witness in the stand. Robian Williams was in court when she said, "Blood like rice grain."
The witness recounted the events of July 13, 2022. She said a man she described as brown-skinned, short, and thick-bodied visited the car wash where she worked on Lyndhurst Road in Kingston. The witness was asked to look around the courtroom to identify the brown man she referred to, but there was no positive identification because she said the camera was blurry. She told the court that around 9 a.m. on July 13, 2022, the man drove into the compound and spoke briefly with her before leaving. She said she saw the same man return later around 1 p.m. with two other individuals and a blue and white truck carrying a brown three-piece settee. The men placed the settee in the car wash bay and she approached them to offer cleaning assistance. While cleaning the right corner of the settee with degreaser, bleach, and a power wash gun, the witness said she observed what she described as a lot of blood. "It red and it smelled raw," she told the court, adding that the sight shocked her. She recalled saying at the time, "Jesus, this here one here must dead or him bleed out. Look like them kill somebody in it." At this point, the witness was seen on camera shaking her head. The defense quickly objected to the witness's claim, arguing it was speculative. But the judge, Justice Leighton Pusey, allowed her observation to stand, noting it could be challenged during cross-examination. The witness continued. She stated that one of the individuals who came with the brown man came with a bottle of vinegar. She said she told him to get 2 more bottles of vinegar. The witness said after her initial wash, the man she identified as the brown man took over the cleaning. She said, "Him start wash the settee himself. I see a lot of blood like rice grain coming from the right corner of the settee." Whispers filled the courtroom as the witness described seeing blood like rice grain coming from the settee. She described the area as having a strong smell and being swarmed by flies. The settee remained at the complex until the following day, July 14, when she saw it still wet and surrounded by flies. She told the court it has not been seen there since. The witness also said police later visited the location, took photographs, and reviewed security camera footage as part of their investigation. During her testimony, which included references to the presence of blood, the mother of the deceased, Donna Lee Donaldson, broke down in tears and left the courtroom. The matter has been adjourned until Tuesday, July 29, when the trial will resume. Robian Williams for Nationwide News.
Donna Lee Donaldson's mother. You can only imagine the pain, the grief that that woman is going through. You can only imagine, because not until you lose a child, and in such circumstances, could you begin to understand what she's going through. And then, for those of you who don't know, the call for vinegar, is based on the use of vinegar. Vinegar is used to kill the scent, the rawness that they speak about, with the amount of blood that had soaked into the settee. Vinegar, yeah, could help to kill the scent. As Roby Ann reported, the witness stated that one of the individuals who came with a brown man came with a bottle of vinegar. She said she told him to get 2 more bottles because the scent was such that 1 bottle of vinegar couldn't do the work, couldn't kill the scent. Interestingly, she identified the man she identified as a brown man took over the cleaning of the settee. Him start wash the settee himself. I see a lot of blood like rice grain, coming from the right corner of the settee. Whispers filled the courtroom as the witness described seeing blood like rice grain coming from the settee. She described the area as having a strong smell and being swarmed by flies. Thank you, Ruby.